Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Get ready to elevate your printing experience like never before with the DXZ A4 DTF printer, an incredible piece of tech that's about to take your DIY game to the next level. Whether you're into crafting, fashion, or just love creating unique items, this printer is a total game changer. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about productivity. The DXZ A4 DTF printer is designed to save you time and hassle with its optimized features. The built-in cutter is a genius addition, allowing for effortless operation while saving film. Plus, the upgraded roller feeder reduces film feeding issues and minimizes jamming, ensuring a smoother, more reliable printing process. Imagine being able to print out your designs without interruptions or wasted materials. It's a total dream come true for anyone who loves creating. Now let's move on to the upgraded L8058 DTF printer, which boasts a white ink mixing system and a semi-automatic cleaning system. This is a major win for anyone who's struggled with clogs and uneven ink flow in the past. With this system, you can say goodbye to those frustrating issues and hello to vibrant prints on both light and dark fabrics. Whether you're making t-shirts, bags, or any other type of textile, this feature is a total must-have. Another standout feature of the DXZ A4 DTF printer is its versatility when it comes to printing options. You can use rolls or sheets up to 8.27-inch wide, making it perfect for both large-scale and on-demand printing. This is great news for beginners and professionals alike, as it offers the flexibility to work on a wide range of projects. Plus, the XP600 6-color printhead offers twice the printing speed of L1800 and L805 printheads, with a super high resolution of 2880x1400 dpi. The result is vibrant colors, crisp details, and excellent saturation, perfect for creating stunning designs on a variety of fabrics. But what really sets the DXZ A4 DTF printer apart is its remarkable printing speed. With the ability to produce high-quality prints at twice the speed of other printheads, you can get more done in less time. This is especially useful for entrepreneurs or small business owners who need to produce large quantities of custom items. And with the included oven, software, ink, and film, you've got everything you need to get started right out of the box. Finally, let's talk about the software upgrade. The DXZ A4 DTF printer comes with complimentary updates, so you can say goodbye to virus concerns during installation. The system offers unparalleled security, making it the top choice for enterprise buyers. With the latest software, you'll be able to unlock new features and improvements, ensuring that your printer stays up to date and running smoothly. In conclusion, the DXZ A4 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to printing. With its optimized productivity, upgraded features, and remarkable printing speed, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their DIY projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer is sure to inspire creativity and unlock new possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the DXZ A4 DTF printer and start creating amazing things today. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a total game changer, and I'm excited to see what you'll create with it.